What do you do when you want to make a cocktail where you need to squish some ingredients in the glass? Do you use a spoon? Or the handle of a mallet? Well, I don't. Hi everyone, I'm Thomas and this is Palit's Workshop. I recently got hooked on a YouTube channel called How to Drink that goes through the world of cocktails and drinks in general. While I'm not a big fan of cocktails, those videos are quite a bit more than just the recipes. The link is in the description below. You should check it out. After watching a couple of their videos, I decided that I needed a cocktail muddler. So I grabbed a piece of 35mm beech round stock. Beech is a very common wood for kitchen utensils, and as a hardwood it is perfect for the job. On top of that, it is very easy to work on the lathe. The shape of a muddler can be as simple or complicated as you want. Basically, you could also use the piece of round stock that I started out with, as long as it will squish things. But that would be boring, so I give mine a bit of a shape. My idea was to have a large, comfortable handle section on one end and a small, flat-ish, squishy tip on the other end. So kinda like a reversed, slightly disfigured miniature baseball bat. The turning operation was really simple and took around 20 to 25 minutes. Once I was happy with the shape, I sanded it to 240 grit, cut off the excess on both ends, and sanded those spots smooth as well. And there we have it, ready to use. A layer of linseed oil may be applied now, but that's optional. The drink I was trying to make is a mojito. It is very simple and that way within my reach of ingredients. And without the rum, this is actually an amazing summer drink. And there you go. And with a muddler, the drink tastes at least 12% better than when using any other utensil. So go ahead and make one of your own. It is a very quick little project and a really cool gift for family and friends. This is Palit's Workshop. Thank you for watching.